Kani kadai ka Batisi TV. Bat pidang pet ya ka kubor baman kasngi belawan rasyapi da ka rupa. Bapentingin bat penbha.
Katanat Animal Husbandry and Veterinary jong sarkar jala kum shibenta jong jing rakhiye ya ka National Milk Day kala penlong ya jing ya thir ya tai khnang ban kentiu ya ka kamri jingri hagane ga jala Meghalaya ban pen urlong ya gane ga thong ka National Cooperative Development Corporation of India lengba u Managing Director u Sandeep K Nayak ha ka arpo artarik bunai nai weng arajar khatpra kala IT ya ka song pisa ka balai pusau klor tam sya ka sarkar jala Yagane kesong pisa la pediang do sembut menteri rangba ka jela uba Preston Tengsong uba lalong ukongsan ha ka jingelang ka balalong ha State Convention Center Shillong harangkat ka jingedon lang u Commissioner Ketenat Agriculture Production u KN Kumar bat u Dr. JK Jana Deputy Director General ka Animal Sciences jong ka Indian Council of Agricultural Research Kajing temu bakongsan jong Ketenat Animal Husbandry and Veterinary kalong ban pensyai bat pensung tu syaki pait ba nong syong snong ya kajing mentoy nagabadi ya kadut hagani kajing yalang palat lais pangut kinong ri masih aidut kilawan bani simbenta.
I'm so happy to be here in this workshop today, in this morning, especially a friend from Delhi, the Managing Director of NDCT, Mr. Nayak. He has been here not less than 3-4 times, and he's so kind enough. You just seen to this moment that he handed over a check of rupees 34 crores, 52 lakhs. 52,800 to the state government. And the beauty of the system that he adopted from Delhi, because see, I've been in the government for so many years. I've seen the system that we have is such that the hurdles and the complications is always in between. Minimum, we will be able to get a check. If the proposals is sent today, minimum till the end of my term, meaning 5 years. 5 years we will be able to see the light of the day. Whereas the work culture adopted by our Honorable Chairman, I should say, is so different. It's totally different. It's a matter of 3 months. 3 months we completed the whole thing. So I think it is an eye-opener to the northeastern states. You are all senior officers here. Please let us go back to our respective states and we change the system. The work culture. Because sometimes the proposal we send, it is sent only on the table. Be it planning department, be it finance department. I don't know, how do you experience that in your respective states? So thank you so much, Mr. Nayak. Thank you so much. And I'm so thankful you already announced that your corporation will always be with us in the northeastern states. So take this opportunity, friends, or officers from different states, as I said to you. It is a golden opportunity that we have today. And when you reach back to your respective states, kindly tell them that we mean business. Let us do business. Then only we will see a change that is happening in northeastern states as a whole.